Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix full screen app and games keep minimizing itself. First method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user. Click and expand control panel. Click and expand desktop. Open foreground lock timeout. Make sure value data is 3, 0, D, 4, 0. Close and exit Registry editor. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Display. Make sure display scale is 100%. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Gaming. Click Xbox Game Bar, turn off Xbox Game Bar. Fourth method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Error Reporting Service, change Startup type to Disable, click Stop, click Apply, click OK. Open Problem Reports Control Panel Support, change Startup type to Disable, click Stop, click Apply, click OK. Fifth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type DISM space, /online space, /cleanup -image space, /restore health. After 100% exit command prompt. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type SFC space, /scano. After 100% exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.